Wednesday, October 30th, 2024, Arkansas. A black car with no license plate was spotted on US Highway 412, but when police signalled it to stop, the driver sped off instead. The 3-mile chase saw the suspect recklessly hitting 80 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour residential zone, nearly causing danger to other motorists. His escape ended on Newman Trail, where he lost control and crashed into a tree before being taken into custody. Why risk everything just to avoid a traffic stop? When will people realize that running only makes things worse?
They're gonna call you out to this side. Keep your freaking hands out. You understand me? You by yourself?
Get your hands out.
He's got them out.
You got me?
No, hang on, just let him out. You're gonna get out. Reach out with your, undo your seatbelt. We're gonna bring him out over here. Quentin, go over here. Open your door. Keep your hands up. Whoa. Just let him come out to you. There's no hurry.
Come out through. Just get on the building right here. You hear me? Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Stand right back.
Thursday, October 31st, 2024, Arkansas. A red car was clocked at 94 miles per hour on US Highway 67, exceeding the 75 miles per hour limit. Troopers pursued, but the driver, Jalen Marcus Britton, refused to pull over, slowing down as if stopping only to continue fleeing.
We just passed 81, speed 63. They hit their brakes, was going full lanes, now they're continuing on speed 50.
After multiple warnings, police executed a TVI manoeuvre at mile marker 81, sending the vehicle into a roadside ditch. The driver initially shouted, "I was trying to pull over," but then attempted to drive away again. After a failed escape attempt, he was taken into custody and transported to the detention centre. Trying to stop by speeding away? That's a new one.
CFS comments added.
He's staying He's stuck in the ditch trying to get out, reversing and going forward.
Stop!
There. Right there. Over the hood. Bend over.
I'm gonna get it out. I need to. Well, so I can make it home. I stay right here. I stay in
Back here.
It's red, it's flashing.
All right, buddy. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yes. What are you doing?
Monday, September 2nd, 2024. An Ohio State trooper pulled over a Chevrolet for failing to signal, but the driver, Edwin Prude, insisted he wasn't driving, but merely travelling. The officer warned him that refusal to provide identification would lead to his arrest, yet Edwin continued arguing. When the trooper opened his door, Edwin suddenly floored it, initiating a dangerous high-speed chase down US 823. He weaved recklessly through traffic, narrowly avoiding collisions. After several miles, officers executed a flawless pit maneuver, stopping Edwin's vehicle at the SR-52 on-ramp. A loaded firearm was discovered inside his car. Edwin now faces multiple charges, including failure to comply and unlawful possession of a weapon. Safe to say, arguing semantics didn't help his case, nor did turning a simple stop into a chaotic police pursuit.
Don't let him kill me! 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 Excuse me. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. My hands are free. I'm not doing anything. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Give me your arm. Give me your arm, sir. Right here first. You're literally, I'm not even fighting. You have the information for your arm. Move your arm all the way.
Friday morning, September the 6th, 2024. An Arkansas state trooper clocked a Mazda CX-5 speeding at 98 miles per hour on Interstate 5. When signaled to pull over, the driver initially slowed, but then took off. Blytheville police joined the chase as the suspect recklessly drove the wrong way on I-55, hitting speeds of 115 miles per hour. Officers executed a successful TVI maneuver, sending the SUV crashing into a wooded area. However, the driver had fled on foot. Over an hour later, Calvin Hathaway was located a mile away and taken into custody. A search of his vehicle revealed 77 MDMA pills, 14 grams of marijuana, and a BB gun resembling a Glock 19. Facing multiple felony charges and a $75,000 cash bond, Hathaway is now paying the price for his high-speed getaway attempt.
So you got another card to play in the event of a conviction when they appeal this verdict.
On the afternoon of April 20th, 2021, a Georgia state trooper spotted a silver Nissan Murano dangerously weaving through traffic on Georgia 92. When the officer attempted a traffic stop, the driver initially complied, but then suddenly sped off. A high-speed chase unfolded on Dallas-Ackworth Highway, reaching 110 miles per hour and endangering other motorists.
Hey, do me a favor and let's go right now off the entrance here.
To prevent further risk, the officer executed a pit maneuver, forcing the suspect's vehicle off the road. The driver, Jaden Mecky Hamilton, was quickly subdued. When questioned, he admitted fleeing because he had no driver's license and feared arrest. Interestingly, he also claimed to be a sovereign citizen. After being provided water and having his cuffs adjusted for comfort, Hamilton was transported to Paulding County Jail. His attempt to escape the law ended in handcuffs and regret.
What
the fuck? I was just trying to go home, bro. Come on. Why did you run from me? Why the fuck did you have to run from me? Bro. Please don't tell my mom. Please, bro. Please let me cover her. You ain't have to do all that. Oh my God.
Saturday, November the 2nd, 2024, Arkansas, a black Cadillac was caught speeding at 109 miles per hour on Interstate 40, far beyond the limit. As troopers pursued, the driver recklessly accelerated to 135 miles per hour, weaving through traffic and using the shoulder to escape. The situation escalated when the suspect made a dangerous U-turn and drove head-on into oncoming traffic.
wrecked out. He wrecked out.
Get on. Get on the.
After a high-speed chase through multiple highways, Nicholas Bullock crashed near Exit 5 and was taken into custody. When asked why he ran, he simply replied, "I was scared of getting a ticket." His vehicle was heavily damaged and he was transported to a medical centre before heading to jail. Running from the cops over a ticket, worst decision of the year.
What is wrong with me?
I'm good. I'm 10-15, 1 male, start at 10-11. No, shut up.
Nice.
For what? Give me one good reason why you ran.
Because I was fucking scared, man. I was gonna write you a speeding ticket, brother. I was so scared. Oh, fuck!
How you gonna let that Tahoe catch you?
Oh,
Huh?
I'm so scared, man. I'm
Stand
so
up.
sorry. That thing's so fucking slow.
What is? Huh?
I didn't even know.
Get up. Get up. Come on, let's go. Come on. That black is the last thing you need to worry about.
Damn it, I'm gonna go for one.